It just vanished. It's invisible.
Look at that! Another monster!
Oh, no.
It came from that cloud!
What's happening?
Hallucination monsters now at 10-row park. Car 42. Panic, panic, get there.
Another monster call, Mr. President.
Even knowing they're illusions doesn't help. Jerry, how can we stop this hysteria?
Radar reports unidentified mass in space. Not a spaceship. Irregular shape.
President Norcross here. Launch no missile attack. Repeat, hold all aggressive moves.
Sir, you mean you're going to...
Right, Jerry. At least as super president, there's a chance I can find the source of these hallucinations. Our radar probably won't pick me up at this speed. Ah, there. It's a floating island. What on earth, above Earth, is that? I'm caught in a force field around it. Ah, through it, but... a breathable atmosphere.
Earthling, you are too soon. The full day of terror is the test.
No, you are the cause. I can't let the hallucinations get me. It's metal without a seam. I've got to get inside. Must be an entrance somewhere. Or I'll just have to make one. Here's my way in. I'll change to my basic electrons and slip in quietly. Talk about flying blind. Hope this is far enough. Ah, now to... You have come, but to die. Not yet, Sparky.
Well, perhaps you are qualified.
Just what is going on here?
I am assembling a force of the strongest, most fearless fighters in the universe with which to conquer it. With this sword embedded in the jewel, I will find the greatest warrior in the universe. Draw it if you can.
I need more strength from my electronic power buildup.
You cannot.
Hold it! There's more than one way to draw this sword. Now, I'll call the tune.
No! Gladiators! He must not recover the sword. Gladiators! All gladiators! Out to the battle!
No! He's mine!
Do not let him reach the power sword! You see, Earth Fool!
But I've got it. Now either you can come out, or I'm coming in.
Oh no! You have destroyed me! My illusion is gone!
His whole life was a wicked illusion. And they were all just a part of it. Everything. I better get out of here before I fade away with it. Just in time. And I do mean just in time.
Jim! Jim! Are you there?
Here, Jerry. I just saw our day of terror end. And I'm coming home.
The sound gun is aimed. We are ready to pick off another prize for our looter squads. Now we shall see.
At the desk of the highest office in the land, President Norcross and his trustee, Jerry Sales, have just been informed of an increasing wave of unexplainable accidents, accompanied by a strange sound. If sound is the key to these accidents, we better get in the Omnicar and get out there and listen. Let's go, Jerry.
If your hunch is right, sir, we're right in the middle of the trouble area.
Jerry, do you hear something?
The sound. It set up vibrations and everything.
That vibration shook up our gyros.
Jim, look.
Jerry, the sound must have come from there.
Look out, sir. They're shooting.
You just keep your distance, Jerry. I've got to see what's inside that mountain.
One of them fell, jumped, or just disappeared.
Get out there and get those snoopers. Oh, I've got to sit down to fix those gyros, guns or no guns.
A hollow mountain. What's going on here anyway? Maybe I can get some answers down there.
We're not going to wait any longer. The sound gun is ready for the big one. In quick succession, the big killer sound will shatter buildings in each of these cities. And in the long hours of panic and confusion, our looter squads will choose the riches laid bare, banks busted open, jewels for the taking. Yes?
We got one of them, Baron Zach. We're taking him to the abyss.
Let go of me. What do you think you're doing?
It's Jerry. I've got to act fast. Tell your men to stay back. Where is Jerry?
The abyss.
If anything happens to Jerry...
Now, they shall both die.
Another snooper. Let him have it.
Guns. I'll have to change myself to steel.
Let's get out of here!
It's the sound gun, Jerry.
Jim!
The trestle. Jerry's heading right for it. I've got to. Hang on, Jerry. I'm coming.
Help! Help!
Close call, Jerry.
Yeah, too close, Jim.
He thinks we're finished down here. But he's up to something.
Yes. Too bad they will not be around to see us destroy the prize targets.
Jerry, those guards left by that tunnel back there. You go out the same way. I've got to stop that sound gun somehow.
And now we shall see the prize targets destroyed, one after the other. All 7 of them.
The sound compression should wreck their whole headquarters.
What in the world happened, Jim?
I think their idea backfired, Jerry. Let's go home.
Richard Vance, you have mastered the sacred art of concentration. Project the powers of your inner self.
Spy Shadow, come forth! Vance here.
It is Spy calling. Here's your next assignment. You will report to London headquarters tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow?
Right. Catch a polar jet tonight.
Coffee, tea, or milk?
Say, miss, it looks like I'm the only passenger on board. Isn't that a little unusual?
Well, sometimes it just works out that way, sir. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some business in the pilot's compartment.
Don't turn around. Just do as I say, and you'll be all right. Land this plane now.
But we're practically at the North Pole.
No buts. Just do it.
Stewardess, why are we landing here on the ice?
You'll find out soon enough, Mr. Richard Vance.
Wait a minute. Now I recognize you. You're no stewardess. You're the notorious Madam Shark, head of the international crime ring.
Pretty smart, Vance. Too bad you won't live to brag about it. Now move! You've interfered in my activities once too often. This time, I'm going to take care of you for good. Tie him up. There's your new home, Vance. That ice Rehberg. I hope you like it. And just to make sure you don't get lonely, we've arranged some company for you. Put him ashore!
That bear looks hungry. But if only I can stay out of his way till morning, the sun will come out. And my shadow with his secret powers will get me out of this scrape. Hey, what time does the sun come up around here?
About 8:30, Mr. Vance. Remember, you're in the Arctic Circle now. The nights last 6 months, and this is only January. Let's go!
Holy cow! 3 months to go, I'm a goner! Cornered! The only way out is straight down, into the water. Uh-oh. Killer whales. Looks like this is it. Unless a miracle happens. What's that? Why, of course, the Northern Lights, the Aurora Borealis. Why didn't I think of that? And look who's here. Spy Shadow, come forth.
Well, Vance, looks like you're between the devil and the deep blue sea. First, we'll take care of the devil. And now, for the sea.
What are you going to do with that rope?
You'll see. Got him. Now, if you'll only head for shore.
Better cast off before we crash into the shore.
Right.
Great! Now we've got to find a way to get our hands on that plane. Good. There's only one guard. Now listen.
Got a light?
Yeah, here. Say, I don't think I've seen you around here before. Hold it, I know who you are. You're Richard Vance, the guy who's supposed to be on the iceberg. Ah!
Good work. Now let's find those pilots. Ah, just as I thought. They left them tied up in the plane. You get Madam Shark while I untie them. Uh-oh. They had the plane wired with an alarm. You'd better hurry, Spy Shadow.
I'm on my way.
No time to untie the pilot. I'll have to handle this bird myself.
What's happening? Someone's stealing the plane. Stop them!
For a frozen wilderness, it sure gets hot around here.
What's all that racket out there? You!
Finish now? Then come with me. You've got a date in London.
Vance checking in. I'm a little late, but I got here.
Late is right. Are you sure you're in the right place?
Oh, this is London, all right. No doubt about it.